This area had some pretty extreme flooding this year, full evacuation, and I'm seeing a lot of new grade work, so I assume that as a result of the destruction, a lot of people were just kind of motivated to go ahead and make a landscaping project out of it. It is interesting to see all the new yards and things that are cleared out. But yeah, so this is the end of Mill Creek Road. I think I'll film probably till we hit at least the gate headed up Tiger Canyon. So I remember the first time I found the end of this pavement was on 02 CBR 954, and I was really sad. But now look, here we are. There you go, honey.